Hi, today is an update on my container garden. As you can see, my tomatoes have been just wonderful. They have been fresh and have flourished this summer so far. My cherry tomatoes, I've picked up many of the ripe ones, so what you see here is basically what's still left. But that has done real well as well. My basil is out of control. I've had to cut some of that back and give it away. My sage is actually doing pretty well. I still need to repot some of these things, but it's really blossoming. And then as you can see, my bell peppers are coming right along. And so they are, I have 3 right here that I can see, and they're coming along great. My thyme took a little bit of a dive, but it's coming back, and hopefully it'll be back full and wonderful so that I can continue my summer cooking.